another thing I just noticed, it looks like Creality Scan 4 doesn't require administrative privileges anymore. So if we start it now, there is no admin prompt. Even the release notes, if we look at them, there is the point 8, optimized Windows running permissions. Admin privileges are only required during installation and initial launch. Even for the initial launch, after installing it, I wasn't prompted for them. So who knows? But this might be very, very interesting for you guys at like companies with like strict IT regulations. Hi, I'm Pretty for Fun. Creality just has released a new update for the Creality Scan 4 software. Two of the main features it includes is orthogonal view and alignment of the scan data. What's very funny, I just talked to guys at Creality yesterday, and two of the main features I wanted to have in Creality Scan were these two. So like they heard my wishes or anticipated my wishes. Okay, let's first, we see, okay, it is in perspective view. This is a PC case I scanned with the 7S1 in laser mode. And this is like my mini ITX workstation I designed bumpers for, so I can use it in a pellet case or transport it in a pellet case. And here by using the right click, I can just, the animation is actually very funny, a very like a smooth transition. And what the orthogonal view allows us is very fine trimming operations. For example, here now I can align it roughly and trim out a corner. So let's delete, sorry, I didn't delete the data, I deleted the selection. And here you can see it's like uniformly trimmed out. If I go back to the perspective view and try this again, I will align the corners and just select something, delete it. You see, we also have this perspective in the selection. So I'm actually very, very happy now having the orthographic view. Okay, the next one is the model alignment. I mainly use Quick Surface Pro for all like reverse engineering and major post-editing steps of my meshes. But one of the like initial points I sometimes struggle is if the scan is like completely out of alignment, as we can see here. When I load it in, it is always quite nice to have like the model pre-aligned. Or if I don't want to use Quick Surface at all for just like 3D printing scan, I will like directly print. Pre-alignment makes it way easier to just load the scan in your slicer and not having trouble with like first needing an extra software step. So what do I need to do to use alignment? We need to generate a mesh. So if I like solely select my scan without meshing, and you have to remember in Creality Scan 4, the fused model or the fused file is already a usable mesh. So it's no point cloud, it's already a mesh. So that's very useful. So you don't need to use the meshing step for each small model. But to use the alignment, you need a mesh file. And if you're now in alignment, it's more like a manual style alignment. We will first look from the back, and you can see we have like these small pull tabs where we can rotate it, or you could also use the controls here at the side. I guess hopefully in future software updates they will bring like a more anticipated alignment, or like maybe half automatic alignment or pick point alignment. But here for the like first steps now, it's already very nice that it came at all. I guess we have been wanting this feature for quite some while now, but you have to like really try to select these tabs. You can also move it down to the bottom to have like a reference. But I guess now let's maybe align it here a bit. I would even say maybe using the tabs at the side may be a bit easier, actually. And you always have to remember what axis you're rolling about. So now I will draw about the Z-axis. But I guess this looks fine. So let's apply and... Okay, I didn't pay attention to what side, but you can see it's aligned now. And if I export the model, click to downloads and import it in Quick Surface, you will also see that it is already aligned. And from there on, you could use like fine alignment in Quick Surface, or if you have a smaller model, directly print it. So yeah, very nice, I would say.